Hello and welcome. Today we will talk about software development life cycle SDLC. What is SDLC? Software development life cycle SDLC is a structured process used by teams to design, develop and test high quality software. It ensures that final product meets expectations while staying within budget and timelines. Now we will talk about the stages of software development life cycle SDLC. First stage, planning and requirements analysis. The foundation phase, where project goals are set, leaders identify the scope, cost, and resources needed while evaluating potential risks. Defining requirements. Stakeholder feedback is documented into a formal software requirement specification (SRS). This serves as a blueprint of everything the software must do. Designing product architecture. Architects create the technical design. This includes internal model structure, data flow, and third-party integration, usually documented in a design document specification (DDS). Implementation. Actual coding begins. Developers can select the design documents into functional code using the chosen programming languages and frameworks. Testing the product. The software is rigorously checked for bugs and errors. Quality assurance (QA) terms verify that the application works exactly as specified in stage 2. Defining requirements. It's the stage 2. And the final step, development and maintenance. Once the code is clean, the product is released to the production environment. Maintenance involves fixing any issues users find and updating the software to keep it functional. Thank you everyone for watching this video.